Hello and welcome to Moraine Valley Community College. I'm Andrew Serrata, I'm Director of Admissions and Recruitment here at the college. Thank you for visiting our website. This is the first step in making Moraine Valley your best choice for your education. The admissions team and I are here and ready to assist you through the admissions process. We'll help you register and get you ready to begin classes starting the semester of your choice. Prospective students can complete all of the admissions process online, from application to new student orientation. Our staff can guide you through and provide you resources for completing the admissions application, placement testing, starting and completing financial aid, and preparing for new student orientation. We are only a phone call or an email away. Registration is currently open for all students. Don't wait, now is the time to get started. Your first steps are to complete the online admissions application on the admissions webpage and start your financial aid application at www.fafsa.gov. Your next step is to contact the admissions office so we can help you through the rest of the process. You can contact the admissions office between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday at 708-974-5355, via email at admissions@morainevalley.edu, or chat with us online on the admissions chat located on our admissions webpage. We are here to assist you with the same care and attention remotely as we would face-to-face. We look forward to talking with you and getting your college journey underway.